Hi Barb, I'm going to do this quick little video and show you how to get to Zoom because I feel like you're not quite getting onto the meetings. I'm not sure if you're hearing us or whatever, so I'm going to try to guide you through connecting and what I do. So I'm on my laptop, so even if your laptop doesn't have a camera, it should still have sound. So I'm going to click on the Zoom link that I actually sent you. You should have the same setup, and just click right on the link. You've probably done this, so I know you probably know this up to here. Now, because I have it downloaded already on my computer, it'll automatically download. But in case it doesn't, I'm going to move this, you can hit, it'll come up, Open Zoom Meetings. There'll be a window up here. Click on Open Zoom Meetings. And bring this back over here. And then I'm going to join with computer audio. Okay, and I'm just going to open this up because I'm already on. All right. Now, if you're not hearing us when you open this up, all right, then you didn't join with audio. So what you're going to do is an easy solution. I'm going to open this up big so you can see it. Down here is the mute mic. It's the microphone. You can either click on it and mute or unclick it and we will hear everything you say. Next to it is a little arrow right here, and it will show up your audio settings. Okay, so I'm going to leave computer audio and I'm going to show you what I think is happening. What's happening is you're not joining with audio. So if you just click on that and click on join with computer audio, I think that is why you're not getting sound when you join us in the meetings. You always have to join with audio. So if you don't do it on that first screen that comes up at the beginning, then just scoot down here and this will disappear. This whole menu will disappear if you don't click on it. You'll see in a moment it'll disappear. It's gone. But as soon as you move your mouse down towards it, it'll pick up again. So again, here it is. You click on the little arrow and click on this. If it says join with audio, then you're not connected. So just click it and it'll automatically connect you to the Zoom meeting with sound. All right, try that. Let me know if that doesn't work. You can actually click on the link at any time to open the room meeting. I've set it up so that you can join anytime during the day. So if you want to practice, granted you won't have anyone there to see if you can hear it, but at least you can play with these controls down here and see how they work. All right, well, I hope this helps you so that you can join us with sound tomorrow night, or actually it's tonight. And otherwise you can also call me 315-751-2149. I'll see you tomorrow.